Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dami. You can call me Paulina. Today I'm going to be teaching you content ideas for fashion design. If you are ready to take your fashion brand to the next level, if you are ready for content creation but you don't have idea on what kind of content you are going to be creating about fashion, this video is for you. Let's dive in. My number one point is sewing DIY. Sewing is all about the regular sewing many people do on YouTube. This sewing, how to sew this, how to sew this top, how to sew this, how to sew that, corsets and the likes. It's about that. So if you are so good in sewing, you can do this one, and it's into different categories. It has different types. You can decide to teach intermediate, you can decide to teach beginners, you can decide to teach advanced class, and you can even decide to combine everything together. It all depends on your choice and depends on how good you are. There are many people out there. The truth is, fashion can never be outdated. There are many people that will still come back for those same styles many people have posted on YouTube, even any fashion topic that they need to know. So point is hand sewing. Yes, hand sewing. There are many people that teach about hand sewing, and also another point is embroidery. Embroidery and hand sewing is somehow similar. There is also hand embroidering and there's machine embroidery. You can come here to come and teach people. Your own YouTube channel can only be about hand sewing and embroidery. You can teach us that, because there are many people that want to learn how to do embroidery and hand sewing. If you are so experienced in that aspect, come and teach us. We are ready to learn. Even me, I'm going to learn from you. So another point is sewing room organization. Yes, you can teach that too. How to organize the sewing room, how to organize your office, how to organize, there are many things like that. You can just search on YouTube so that you can see some people that are doing the same thing and learn from them. Yes, you can learn from them and come and implement it in your own YouTube channel also. So another point that I'm going to be teaching you is sewing with special fabrics. Do you know there are many fabrics that majority don't know how to use, like lycra, ashoke, nylon, and leather. There are many people that don't know how to use them. So if you have experience on how to use those kind of fabric, you can come here to come and teach us. There are many people that are ready to learn. Many people are like, do you know that fashion is so broad? So everyone cannot, majority don't know so much. There are some people that are so good in sewing but they don't know about other parts, like how to use some certain fabrics, or how to do hand sewing, or how to do embroidering. There are so many people that don't have that idea. So if you know how to use this fabric, these difficult fabrics, come in and come and teach us. There are many people that are ready to learn from you. Another idea is sewing business tips. Yes, it's about teaching people how to run their business. There are many people that are so good in sewing, so experienced. They have a lot of ideas on how to sew. They are so good in sewing, but one thing they lack is the idea on how to start up their business. Some people, they have packed up their machines, they don't even sew anymore. They don't know how to attract customers. They don't even know what to do anymore. You can come ahead and come and teach us. If you are already growing in your businesses, if your business is already growing, if your fashion business has already grown to a point, come and teach them your experience on how to go about it, so that they can also grow their own business also. Another idea is illustration and sketching. Yes, there are many people that all they do is sketching. Even there are some people that is where they make their own money. They sketch for fashion designers. So if you know how to sketch very well, you are so good in sketching and illustration, come and teach people, come and teach us how to create another designs, because people that are into sketching also, they sketch out new design. They can just put some little things to change a particular inspiration. They can get an inspiration from another dress and just change it one way or the other to make it new, to make it their own design. Come and teach us how to do this if you are so good at it, because there are many people that want to know how to sketch. Another thing is fashion styling. Yes, fashion styling. There are many people that don't know how to style their dresses. Come and teach us how to combine colors. Come and teach us how to match our outfits, because even me, I'm guilty of that. I don't really know how to match outfits. I don't really know, there are many things like that. So just come and teach us about fashion styling, how to, what kind of top to put on this kind of trouser. There are many things like that. You can go on YouTube and search so that you can also get some ideas in order to help yourself and start creating those videos and those content on YouTube. If you have watched this video to this point and this video is really helpful, please click on like, click on subscribe. Yes, subscribe, because that's the only way you can encourage me to do more. Subscribe on my channel and click on the like button, and also click on the notification bell in order for you to get more videos anytime I post videos. Another point is fashion show. Yes, you can go to events, you can go to events like fashion shows, or you go to weddings, you go to parties, and then make a video of all these Ashwebi ladies or any fashion show or fashion modeling. Just make a video. When you go there, make a video and come here and come and show us. Yes, you'll be surprised that you'll be getting a lot of views. There are many people that want to see, because even from there you'll be passing across to people new styles. Another idea is plus size fashion. Plus size fashion. Yes, there are many people that only know how to sew for normal body, like all the slim people, but they don't really know about plus size. And mind you, plus size sewing, plus size fashion have been a very difficult thing for many people. Majority of people don't even know how to sew for plus size. If you know how to do this, if you have this idea, come and teach us, because many people are going to be running to your channel to learn from you. Trust me. Another point is men fashion. Yes, if you as a lady or as a man coming across this video, if you know how to sew a man dress very well, how to sew a man dress, how to design man dress, how to make it look unique, you can come here and come and teach us how to do it. Many people are going to learn from you. Another point is kids fashion. Yes, come and teach us how to sew kids wears, kids dress. Many people don't know how to sew kids dress, because yes, it can be stressful. So if you know how to do it, how to make it easy, come and teach us. We are going to learn from you. Another one is bag making. Yes, bag making. You can come here to come and teach us how to make tote bag, and then handbags, school bags, many bags like that. You can come here to come and teach us. We will learn from you. Then another point is accessory making. DIY accessories making. Yes, how to use Ankara fabric or other fabrics to make bags, to make necklace, to make different kind of things, to make shoes, to make many things. There are many things you can do in that aspect. So teach us how to do this, and we are going to learn from you. Guys, did you find this video helpful? Were you able to grab one or two things from this? Were you able to see one thing that you can do in this point that I have given you? I will make more research on many things you can still do. So, and I'll come back to make a video about this. Like and subscribe and share this video for many people to learn from it. Bye guys, I love you.